Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the definition of geology and its main branches and sub-branches. Geology is the study of Earth as a planet, that is, the origin, age and structure of Earth. Origin means how it is formed, and its age and structure. Structure means all the physical features of the Earth. That is the evolution, modification and extinction of surface and subsurface features. Also, it deals with the materials of the Earth that we say as lithosphere and the atmosphere and hydrosphere. Atmosphere, it is the gaseous envelope that surrounds the Earth's surface, and hydrosphere, it is the water bodies. So, it deals with all the reaction that takes place between lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Reaction in the sense all the physical, chemical, physiodynamic reactions or changes that takes place in these lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, and the forces involved and evolved during this reactions also comes under this geology. So from the definition itself we can say geology is a very vast subject. So it is divided into many branches. So the first one is physical geology, geomorphology, mineralogy, petrology, historical geology and economic geology. So let us see about these things one by one. A physical geology is the one which deals with all the physical features of the Earth, either the surface feature or subsurface feature. That is the origin, development and ultimate fate of physical features. And the role played by the internal agents and external agents on the physical features. Internal agents in the sense volcanic activities and seismic activities. External agents are a moving wind, glaciers, running water and so on. So here I will show you some of the physical features. This picture shows the satellite image of a plane, and this one is a plateau. And this picture shows both plains and plateaus. This one is the plain, that is a low-lying area as the plain. Compared to plains, plateau will be a elevated area. And this is a valley. A valley is a low-lying area surrounded by elevated area. This one is the basin. All these are the physical features on the surface of the Earth. Some of the examples of the features on the surface of the Earth. This subject also deals with the internal feature of the Earth. So in the internal feature in the sense, we can divide the Earth's internal structure into crust, mantle and core layer. The mantle is again divided into upper mantle and lower mantle, or inner mantle and outer mantle. Okay, so this comes under the internal feature of Earth. So all these things comes under physical geology. The second branch is geomorphology. In this, we study only the surface features of the Earth. And the next one is mineralogy. And this branch deals with the study of minerals. Minerals are the basic units by which rocks and soils are made of. So here I will show some of the pictures of minerals. This picture shows quartz mineral. This one is silica. These two are the basic minerals of soil. The next branch is petrology. Petrology is study of rocks. All the rocks on the Earth we can divide into three: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are rocks which are formed by cooling of either magma or lava. Sedimentary rocks are rocks formed from sediments, and metamorphic rocks are rocks which are formed by changes in either the igneous rocks or sedimentary rocks. That is, this igneous rocks or sedimentary rocks, when they undergo some changes in either temperature, pressure, or some dynamic changes, if they undergo, they will change into a new type of rock called metamorphic rock. So this branch deals with the study of rocks, and also it deals with the amount of force that can be withstood by a particular rock. Here I have shown you some of the rocks. This one is marble, and this is a granite. Next branch is historical geology, and it deals with the past history of the earth. We can say rocks as the pages of Earth's history. From the fossils and all, we can learn what happened in prehistoric days. And it also has some branches: paleogeography, paleontology, and stratigraphy or its branches. And next one is economic geology. It deals with minerals and other which can be exploited for the benefits of humans. That is, we used to exploit petroleum products, coal, and ores of metals from the earth's surface. And this branch deals with how we can exploit those minerals economically. And besides these main branches, there are some sub-branches also. First one is geochemistry. Geochemistry means here we are using the concepts of chemistry to get knowledge about the geology. That is, suppose if we study mineralogy, there we used to study about the positions of atoms in a mineral. Actually, these are concepts from chemistry. Okay, so this branch deals with the concepts of chemistry to study geology. Next one is geophysics. Here the concepts of physics are used. For example, to study the internal structure of the earth, we use the velocity of seismic waves to study, as we can't bore up to the center of the earth. And then geohydrology is study of all the water bodies, either inland water bodies or marine bodies. Next one is mining geology. Here, this branch deals with how we can mine properly or economically to get the products from Earth's interior. And then engineering geology. This is a new concept, that is how geological concepts or ideas are used by engineers. That comes under this branch. And then rock mechanics, that is the behavior of various rocks under different types of forces, comes under this rock mechanics. And then geomechanics. Geomechanics means the effects of supernatural forces on Earth's surface. That is, suppose if a meteor falls on Earth's surface, there may be some changes on the surface of the Earth. That is, the features of the Earth. Ideas comes under this geomechanics. And then meteorology. So meteorology is the study of atmosphere and the above space. So now we have so many satellites and all to study the atmosphere and space. So with the help of this knowledge only, we can predict the weather of upcoming days. Okay. And the last one is oceanography, which deals with the study of the huge large water body called oceans. So these are the new branches of geology. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.